So, hi. If you know the channel, I'm a huge car guy. I work on my 91 NA Miata. It looks like this. And I'm really into cars. But last year I fell in love with a really pure bike, a Honda Monkey. It's like a Miata with only 2 wheels, so it's perfect for me. So I bought this little funny bike last year, and because I am stupid, like with the Miata, I instantly modified it. So yeah, I want to share with you the whole process of buying and modifying a Honda Monkey. Enjoy watching this video. See you on the next one.
So it doesn't matter if I'm there or not, right?